How to log an Instagram account on Chrome browser. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can log in into Instagram account on Chrome browser. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up the Chrome browser, head towards the search bar and type in instagram.com. Now you'll be directly taken into login page. So here you have to enter your login credential. So first of all, enter your phone number, username or email associated with your Instagram account. Under that, enter your correct password. In case if you forgot your password, there is a link given here that says forget password. Click on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your password. Or if you want to log in using your Facebook account, go to the login with Facebook account option, click on it, and there you have to provide your Facebook login credential, and then you'll be logged into your Instagram as well. So here, if you are done entering your login credential, that may be your phone number, email or username along with your password, all you have to do is click on login button. Wait for a while and then you'll be logged into your Instagram account through Chrome browser. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.